In today's class, we will discuss the topic of weeding. Weeding is the meticulous removal of unwanted plants, weeds, from the farm. This practice is essential for various reasons. 1. Competition avoidance. Prevents competition for nutrients, moisture, and sunlight between crops and weeds. 2. Overcrowding prevention. Creates ample space for the crops, avoiding overcrowding. 3. Pest and pathogen control. Averts the buildup of pests and pathogens that can potentially harm the crops. Harvesting operation. Harvesting involves the extraction of ripe or matured useful parts of a crop. Commonly harvested plant parts include tubers, leaves, fruits, seeds, and roots. Tools such as cutlasses, hoes, knives, sickles, or mechanized harvesters are employed in the harvesting process. Effects of timely versus late harvesting. The timing of harvesting plays a crucial role in the quality and yield of the produce. Timely harvesting prevents total loss of products. Essential for crops prone to pest attacks or rapid spoilage. Late harvesting can lead to product loss. Some crops may benefit from delayed harvesting for drying, but others, especially perishables like tomatoes, require immediate harvesting to avoid spoilage. Post-harvesting operations. After harvesting, post-harvest processing is necessary to enhance product acceptability and prevent spoilage. Some farm products undergo processing at the farm site. Farm-level processing. Extraction of melon from its pod and pulp. Detachment of groundnut on the farm. Peeling of cassava may start on the farm. Cocoa beans extraction, fermentation, and drying often occur on the farm. Factory processing. Milling, dehusking, and other complex processing activities are carried out in factories equipped with specialized machinery. Storage. Once processed into usable forms, farm products undergo storage to ensure their availability for future use. Various storage methods are employed, including barns, cribs, silos, refrigerators, baskets, sacks, etc. Each method is selected based on the specific characteristics of the farm product and the intended duration of storage. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.